Scorpio. This is your channel messages for the 16th of May. Good morning to all my CRA workers. Mr. Bob Hamilton, good morning. I hope you're having a beautiful morning today, Mr. Hamilton. Hope your wife is okay. I hope the kids are doing great. Okay. Anyway, Scorpio, the death card. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, I'm sure everybody saw the whole drama with Lil Wayne. Keys to the Baileys, keys to the Sadies, and keys to the name. You know I love you like cook food. You know you're fucking with a good dude. You know you give good brain like you graduated from a good school. You know what you should do. Me, shorty what it is. Lil Wayne, fiance. Remember ladies, fiance holds no title. You need to know that. Fiance and girlfriend is the same thing. You need to know that. Anyways, this is a very serious matter, Mr. Wayne. This is a very serious matter. Apparently, Lil Wayne's girlfriend, fiance, she said she wanted to take legal action against him because him kick her out. He kicked her and her daughter out on Mother's Day. Terrible behavior. But let us get to the facts and not the feelings. First of all, she don't have kids for Lil Wayne. Toya, what's your name? Well, Lil Wayne. Okay, the girl who Lil Wayne is with, right? She don't have kids' theme. So that's the first. I watched a lot of YouTube videos on this same topic, and one thing I can say, all of the black girl them agree on the same thing when it comes down to this situation. Now, let me tell you something. I have been kicked out, evicted, man shame me, call police on me. I have had these experiences in my life, and I have learned that, you know, you really can't really trust anybody. And I learned that sometimes you always have to keep yourself in a very safe position, right? Anyways, she said kick her and her daughter out on Mother's Day. You don't have kids for Lil Wayne. Second of all, then she said she get mommy makeover. That means you get liposuction, tummy tuck, breast lift, what you get. Wasn't she a plus size model? Why you got under the knife and you're a plus size model? Isn't that what Lil Wayne did like? And I know that when you do any type of makeovers, I'm assuming you can't have sex, right? Because you're a heel. Anyways, I don't know what fly up in a Lil Wayne head, but him look like him got evicar, and while him evicting this white lady, him invite two new white ladies, older ladies, people. So these dirty men telling you when you're 30 and over, nobody no want you. Tell that to Lil Wayne. I look like the only girls Lil Wayne there with is 40-year-old white women. Let's be very honest. That's Lil Wayne's preference. 40-year-old white women, Caucasian. Me only want me when I'm not there. Lil Wayne want Becky with the good hair, right? So then she said put him hands on her. No, me not gonna lie. I know how niggas are sometimes, but girl, you can't make that allegation now. Because if the man never kick you out, you wanna say nothing about him. You would have take the beating and take the money and take the place. And what kind of example you set for your daughter? Listen to me. No man in life, no rascal man in life is promised to take care of you. God didn't even take care of him own the son that he sacrificed. So everybody has said, we don't know if it's true, we don't know it's lie. Then she has said she know other people and put him hands on. Then why you there with him? You should have done like me. When he was getting abused, you should have got to a shelter. You can't wait till the relationship broke up and then you talk about domestic violence. That's a serious thing. What's your daughter beside you? That's crazy. And she's a fiance, so you don't have no legal case. The weird thing is, are you surprised Lil Wayne did this to you? Isn't he the same guy who sang to the left, if you wanna leave, be my guest, you can step, feeling irreplaceable, listening to Beyonce, I kick you out on your B-day, cause when you're rocking with Weezy, he kicked her out on Mother's Day. Not her birthday. So no, these are very serious allegations, and we just want to say to the public, especially the women, do not put yourself in a situation where a man can put you up on the street. God knows, it is documented on YouTube, a man putting, my own ex-husband putting me out on the blood clot street, right? She a fiance. My ex-husband put me up on the street. So you should know, right? Anyways, I don't think she have a legal case, but women, I just ask you, please, you have to know who you're there with. And at the first sign of abuse, you need to leave. See, same thing happened to DDG and Haley now. Haley accused DDG of hitting her. No, me not gonna lie. Me don't know if it's true, me don't know if I lie, but God knows I have told stories about my past that people don't believe, right? But isn't Haley the same one when she was walking past DDG and she was, me don't know what DDG did do to her. She stepped on him foot. You remember? Before they had Halo? You remember? When they was on a yacht? And me don't know what him do to her, but she walk and step on him foot on camera and him act like him never feel it. Me know when them young people here in relationships, they will fight each other. Him have you in a one corner, give some fuck lick or you and him a fight. Because you find out him a text other people. It's very different, you know. Either way, we will leave it up to the courts. All we know that we allegedly Rock Nation just gave DDG one $300,000 rum bottle of liquor. And isn't Haley signed to Rock Nation too? So now Rock Nation are dealing with the mommy and the daddy. Poor Halo, poor Halo. This is not heavenly behavior. We're just asking the Scorpio, we're asking the women. It could have worse. Suppose him did kill her. It could have worse. She has to take legal action. Mom, I don't know if you have no legal. This is not Cassie. This is not a Cassie case. Where Cassie I get blood clot lick. Either way, again, there has been allegations that I've said out of my mouth that people do not believe. You know, a lot of people mock me. Shelter system mock me. Pastor mock me. So I'm not going to say what she got through no real, but I just say be mindful. Just be mindful of what you do. It could have worse. It could have hurt you. If that was the case. And if you know him is a domestic violence person, why would you have your daughter in the room? Why would you bring your daughter into that place? You see, this is what I be talking about. You need to get what you can from these men. I'm not saying for fuck on them while they get what you can, but what she get out of that? She move 40-year-old with her daughter, move gone a Little Wayne place. Why did Little Wayne not buy you a place? You're a fiance. Oh, you never want to seem like a gold digger. Well, now you're out on the street and you have, what you have to show for it? Nothing. You fuck Lil Wayne. What you have to show for it? Jewelry, hair, mommy makeover. Why didn't he not buy you a 1-bedroom and put you there in case anything happened? Cause you're caught up in the lifestyle. If him never break up with her on Mother's Day, then she would have continued taking the beating. This is what if he had take the beating and he did run away, and then you accuse him of the allegation. If you would leave him and run and accuse him of the allegations, is one thing. You can't wait till the man Vicky and then you talk about said the man used to hit you. You should have left when him hit you. You have a daughter for sex example too. All of the black content creators on YouTube have said the same thing. Anyways, Little Wayne will be moving on with these 40-year-old Caucasian women. So we just hope that this is dealt with properly. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, the death card. Also, Scorpio, me getting Virgo. Virgo, me getting you and somebody is going to be in an altercation. Me getting you and a tall, slim, black man are going in a one altercation. Me don't know if this happened already or if it's coming up. You and a man going to be in an altercation. Me getting when you turn your back, the man are going to shoot you in your back. Me getting you and this man going to be arguing, and in your head, it don't even worth fighting. Me getting when you turn your back, him gonna shoot you in your back. I'm hoping him don't shoot you. If he does shoot you, I hope him not shoot you up on the side where your heart is. Virgo, you need to be careful, especially when you argue with somebody. Don't turn your back to them when you argue. Me getting somebody gonna shoot you in your back while your back turn. Or Virgo, me don't know if your shit is legal or illegal. You need to have your hand on it when you argue. And hopefully you had a lot of gun range training for pull the trigger before a motherfucker can pull the trigger on you. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio, the death card. We have the Page of Cups coming out first. Okay, I'm getting a deal with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, this younger gentleman. We have the Emperor. I'm getting a somebody younger than you. I can pull the trigger. I'm getting you and them argue about something. I don't know what you said to them. Whatever you said to them was really, it hurt them. And I'm getting them pull out a gun and shoot in your back. Again, I don't know if this happened already or it's coming up. Don't turn your back to this argument. Me getting is an argument that you never even had to be in a physical altercation for. It could be a hit. Me getting a hit. A hit. Can me getting the person who do it, yes, is a young youth. How him have so much anger for me? Perhaps he was paid to put a hit out on you, Virgo. Now again, the Page of Cups and the Emperor, me getting something about your son or something about your father. Yeah, it's an argument. Me getting you and this person are gonna be in a one argument, but me getting is not going to be fighting. Maybe you foresee something in time, so you might fight somebody for the weapon. But me getting is something you never even, the conversation wasn't even something you and somebody got physical over. Me getting you say something, them say something to you, and when you turn your back, them shooting at your back. Me getting a one younger person. Right? Me getting Virgo, or me getting you and your son, or you and this young person is going to be in an altercation. Me don't know if your father attack you. For me don't know why. Or me getting something about your father in a, I don't know if your father in a this brawl, your father in this fight. We have the Queen of what? Yes, something, me getting something about a Queen of Wands. Is that girl set you up? Or something what this emperor did something to this woman, and I guess her people are retaliating. She sent her people for retaliate. Or me getting you and this woman used to deal, and now you and this woman not dealing anymore. She send her people for retaliate. Me don't know if you're guilty, but me getting that's what will happen. Yeah, me don't know if you used to deal with this woman. If she find out say you have another woman, maybe she find out you have another family. Maybe she find out you have kids. Cause me getting me getting something about, so your son could be for this woman. Your son is for this woman. I don't know if it's before or after you started to deal with this woman. What the fuck was that? It's a ghost. Anyways, right? I don't know if you start deal with this woman. Me getting something about you and her in a one argument. Big argument. Big fight. Now I don't know if it's a woman going to do this to you. But me getting a big altercation happening because somebody find out that you have another woman or you have another family. Or you're leaving somebody for another family. I don't know if you and a girl live together and you have license or unlicensed in your house. She's going to take it up and she's going to shoot you with it. Be mindful. And let me tell you something. If you have a license or it unlicensed, do not make nobody hold it. It's not something that makes people whole. Just hold. Yeah, you want to hold it and feel it. It's not something you give people for hold. Especially your friend them. That is very personal. That carry fingerprint. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Tarot. I'm telling you what's going to happen to you. I don't know if your son are going to do it to you or somebody on the street where you're in a one altercation with. But me getting your son me getting your son is protected. I don't know what that means. Your son is protected. The Emperor is clarified by the Five of Pentacles. What did you do to your son? Now me getting something about the Emperor being lackluster. The Emperor don't have anything. Are you on the street? Me getting you homeless. Are you up on the street, Emperor? Me don't know if you have a lot of money and you're fake, say you're broke. That's a really weird fucking life, sir, and you're not going on blood clot pilgrimage. I don't know why you as the Emperor. I don't know if you're undercover. Is this like an undercover boss? Come getting a you and some people are argue where you're the Emperor. Why you never argue? Why you stop for argue with these people in the first place? You need to know how to choose your battle. And let me tell you something about me, right? So the argument, the back and forth is one thing. So I don't really like back and forth. Because it will escalate. I'm not in a long talking. So I better you pull that trigger before somebody pull that trigger on you. That's all I can say. I don't know if you have fake being homeless. If you have, me getting you have so much money and you act homeless. For fucking what? I don't understand. And you're old. You're soon dead anyways. What you do with the money? And even if you have a lot of money and you're homeless, you can't rent. Pay rent then. Pay rent. Make it look like you're struggling like the rest of us. When you go grocery store, buy things in a tin. So you look like you struggle. But me getting you literally out on the street or you're in someone's basement. Me don't know, are you a hoarder? Me getting you have a real ass problem. Me don't know if somebody will kill you for money. Like your son knows that you have so much money and you're homeless and them kill you. I don't know what happening, but me getting you and this woman that got fall out. The Queen of Wands is the Queen of Wands is clarified by the Queen of Swords. Yeah, me getting you get involved with one woman where I don't know. Me getting when she angry, she do anything to anybody. I don't know if it's a Caucasian woman you deal with. I don't know who you deal with. Or me getting something about two different women. Me getting a Libra and a Leo. You did something to a Libra and a Leo. Or me getting you're attacking a Libra and the Leo end up retaliate on you. Like, I don't know if it's sisters. Like you attack her. And me getting she start fight you. Because you attack our sister or because you attack our friend. Or I don't know if somebody here say you beat them friend. Like somebody come to them and say, yeah, you know, what happened to you? My boyfriend just beat me. Me getting somebody got aisle up and go where your man there and two on go jump him. You beat my friend, you lick my friend, you lick my friend, yes or no, yes or no. Me getting, I don't know if you're going to with a baseball bat. I don't know where you're going to with. Me getting you gonna beat the fuck out of the emperor because the emperor put them hand on your sister or the emperor put them hand on your friend. One more. 10 of Cups is clarified by the King of Cups. Maybe you find out that somebody a cheat on you, so you put your hands on her. Me getting she call her female friend and know two of them are going to put them hand on you. Me getting your son, I said, I told you, and you never listen to me. I tell you, like your son warn you. Me getting your son warn you, you never listen. Or me getting something about, me don't know. Me getting you acting homeless or you act like you're broke, it's going to lead to your demise. Because just because you act like you don't have no money, everybody still know who you are. And everybody can put two and two together for know say something wrong. You hide money, you sleep. I don't know if you're going to pass out. Illness. Yeah, me getting you sleep outside. You sleep in a basement. You're sleeping in shitty conditions and you have a lot of money. You're the emperor. Now, I don't know if you file for bankruptcy and you stay with this woman. And while you stay with her, you're involved with another woman. Me hear one man say, listen, don't make no man fool you. Say having multiple women make you a man. Them weak in them sexual energy. You not get put, if you are one man, 1 year now, you not get say, sir, you're gold mine. Sir, you need to know why you're the rare one them. Don't make no man tell you say, oh, if you don't have 3 different girls or rotate, you're not a big man. 1 year without pussy, 6 months without pussy, sir, you're up on the right track. If you're not getting up pussy, don't run it down. Virgo, me getting something about a Virgo. Virgo, me getting something about you're going to get shooting at your back. Or me getting something about this altercation you're going to be in because you're fucking one woman and you have a baby with her and then you go to another woman and me getting the women are going to find out. Me getting some type of when you turn your back, them are going to shoot in your back. So you need to walk with your blood clot weapon if you have none. Or me getting you need to be mindful. One more. Well, 2 more. Doctor, and we have Aquarius. I don't know. Maybe the bullet will miss you and you catch your hand, or maybe the bullet will miss you and you get saved by the doctor. Maybe you'll be rushed to the ambulance. Me getting you need to be careful. Me getting your son warn you. It's like your little son I warn you about the whole heap of girl them you have and you rotate and your son I tell you that father that's not right. Father, you cannot be doing that. Father, you know the girls, your son I warn you about the pussy where you have. Okay, you not listen to your son. I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. Until next time. Bye.